Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we covered a very interesting use case of how to use Linux built-in Linux commands to speed up your work, like using cut or awk. Let's use another powerful command called grep this time. As you know, grep is a command which is used to filter and extract out or search text in a given file or a string. Now let's see how we can put it to use in real world. To begin with, let's take a simple example of the same file which we used in the previous example, input file, where you can see multiple rows in this file. Now let's try to extract the let's use a simple example to begin with, which is in Python. In Python, as you know, let me use it in Sublime to begin with. Yeah, as you can see, I am using a string called hello world, and I am trying to find the substring world within hello world. Now to find a substring in a given world, now I will have to write the code where I have to check if this string is present in, if a substring is present in a given string. Now let's say we combine this, which is basically read the file and then do this search of string search. Now as you can see, you will have to write a lot of code for it. Now how can we avoid this? By using simple Linux commands. To begin with, let's see this input file. By the way, cat is a command which is used to just show the contents of the file. Now let's begin with grep, give the pattern string and give the input file. It will just return you the particular record or a line which matches with the given string. Now if you convert this to lower case, it is not going to return you the results. Now there is an option -i, which is basically ignore case. Now let's take another example, which is -v. -v in grep is used to find out all the records which doesn't match a pattern. Now let's convert this back to John. You can see John record is eliminated from the output. Now let's say if you want to search multiple records, then you probably can use this command called egrep. This is a egrep, let's say Kathy. You get the two records. Now you can use -v option in egrep to get the remaining records. Now I hope this video helped you. Please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.